Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing Vladimir Trunkov. You thought I was going to say something else, weren't you? Maybe? Maybe not. Oh, okay, let's just carry on. So this is Vladimir Trunkov. He is 1971 Auto Trunkov T71. I think, which is actually based on a ZAC Auto Seminar. His gender's male, eye colour brown, paint colour blue and yellow. Aliases or nicknames, if you don't know what that means. Iron bumper, big ears, and his occupation, the Trunkov family leader. Like our Tubbs Pacer is the leader of the Pacers. Now, he's voiced by Stanley Townsend. His first appearances in Cars 2, last appearances in Cars Daredevil Garage, which is a game of some sort. Now, Vladimir Trunkov is a crime lord and the head of the Trunkov crime family. He's a supporting antagonist in Cars 2. He's also a grey market parts smuggler. In Cars 2, Trunkov meets with the other Lemon crime bosses in Porto Corso to discuss and watch the plans for the all destruction plan. After Mesa accidentally reveals his disguise, Vladimir is one of the many who tried to shoot him. Near the end of the film, Vladimir was blinded by Flo and impounded and arrested by sheriff. Vladimir also made a cameo appearance in the Obey Traffic Signals promotional commercial, driving along the street in the background. Vladimir Trunkov, now is a 1971 Auto Trunkov T71. He's modelled after a ZAC 968 Zaporozhets, which is I'm assuming a Russian car like a Lada. Unreliable, with one adjustment, the letter T on his front bumper, which stands for his last name and model, Trunkov. His tyres read Roadhog. His license plate, or number plate, is 9581 OMH in the film, and 1971 SMK on the diecast, the same as Petrov Trunkov, referencing 1971. Vladimir is painted light blue with yellow stripes across his side. Now let's have a look at his design. Look at how small he is. Obviously, is easy. Which is just the ZAZ logo, which is just a red dot. Its headlights. I mean, look, this is a Thailand one, released this year, just like Tubbs Pacer. So that means Thailand, and Thailand decals aren't the best. They're quite grainy, if I'm honest. As you can see, he only has one wing mirror, which, well, I'm assuming it's cheaper to make. Obviously, use light blue, yellow stripes, which are, very accurate to his real life car. But I think that besides the King, he's the only besides the King and the Pacer and the Gremlins, he is probably the only car in series that's pretty much identical to his real life counterpart. And I think that's very cool. And look at that toe thingy right at the back, which is obviously the thing sticking out. And whatever this says at the back, as I just said, Thailand decals are grainy and yucky. And but I believe that's pretty much all there is to say. See you in the next video. Uncle Roger!